नागरी विमान वाहतूक मंत्री ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधियान मुंबई अहमदाबाद मार्गाचेर चलपी आकासा एराच्या पहिल्या वेवसायीक उड्डाणाक हिरवो बावटो दाखयलो। हे विमान कंपनीचे तिकेट बुकिंग आनी वेवसायीक उड्डाणांक 22 जुलयाच्यान सुरवात जाली। अहमदाबाद, बेंगळुरू, मुंबई आनी कोची शारापुरती हे विमान कंपनीची सेवा मर्यादित आसतली। भारताच्या नागरी विमान वाहतूक क्षेत्रा खातीर ही एक नवी सुरवात आशिल्ल्याचे सिंधियान ह्या वेळार सांगले।
In this new environment, I'd like to welcome Akasa Airlines, and I'm very confident that in an industry which is the third biggest in the world, in an industry which is growing at the second fastest rate in the world, in India, in the coming days, Akasa Air will certainly make a very, very important mark in terms of not only market share but also customer service and customer sat. And therefore today I'd like to wish you all the very best. I'd like to wish Akasa in its new beginning, a new dawn, a new growth opportunity, a new customer value proposition. All the very best in the days to come. Congratulations. Fly high, fly safe, and rule the skies.